Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I came across this picture of this super awesome vase and I really liked it, but I did not like the price that came with it. So I thought this would be perfect for a DIY. So I got my molds here. Let's see, I got a lot of different ones. So I think I'm going to put a smaller one on this long drink glass. I think that would work. And the bigger one I'm going to use on this bigger vase. Yeah. So now the only thing I have to do is make a lot of these with some air drying clay. Everything dried overnight, so they're nice and firm, and now I get to paint them. And I'm going to do a nude color on the bigger ones, and on the smaller ones I'm going to make a combination out of these two till I like the color. So the big shells are painted nude, and while they are drying, I'm going to use the baking soda technique to paint the vase. And they're done. So it was not easy to make these. This one is a little bit different because I did not have enough shells. And this was my solution, just to wrap this part in some cord and add some little white shells. And I think it's really cute. And it's different than that one over there. Oh my god. So that's it. I don't know why they're very expensive, because they're not easy to make. But I tried it and I really am in love with this one. I really love the color and the structure of the shells. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, as always, please like it and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. A very pretty vase. So why am I doing this like this? Oh my god. No. No.